This video deals with a very short part of the cardiovascular system. That is, why pulmonary artery is regarded as an artery, though it carries deoxygenated blood. Now, blood, the transporting fluid in our body, has to be pumped throughout the body with a certain pressure, now so that it reaches all the parts in a particular time, generating a pulse. Now this particular pumping action takes place with the help of the heart, which is the pumping organ. It is four chambered in our case. Now the right part of the heart receives deoxygenated blood, whereas the left part receives oxygenated blood. Here comes what is called double circulation in our case. Now what is double circulation? Double circulation is actually the same blood reaches the heart twice. Now the short circulation that takes place within the heart and the lungs is pulmonary circulation, and the long one is known as the systemic circulation, that is for the general body. Now blood vessels that carry the blood are of three types: arteries, veins and capillaries. Now arteries carry blood away from the heart, whereas veins carry blood towards the heart. Now pulmonary artery is also an artery because it also carries blood away from the heart, though it carries deoxygenated blood. Because it carries the blood away from the heart, it is regarded as an artery. Here I have drawn a diagram to show the pathway the blood follows in the heart and blood vessels. Now for this you need to know the function of the heart and lungs very nicely. Lungs help in to keep the blood oxygenated, and that oxygenated blood has to be pumped throughout the body with the help of the heart. Now the pathway the blood follows in the heart and the blood vessels. When the deoxygenation reaches the right atrium through the vena cavas, it enters the right ventricle, from where the pulmonary artery carries it to the lungs for oxygenation. Now the pulmonary veins bring back oxygenated blood from the lungs to the left atrium. Now this part of circulation is regarded as pulmonary. Now because the pulmonary vein carries blood towards the heart, it is regarded as a vein, though the blood is oxygenated. Now from the left atrium, the oxygenated blood reaches the left ventricle, where the general pumping action takes place and systemic circulation comes into action related to the general body. Now all the arteries carry blood away from the heart to various organs. Likewise, the pulmonary artery also carries blood away from the heart to the lungs for oxygenation. So in order to avoid confusion, conventionally the pulmonary artery is also regarded as an artery and pulmonary vein is regarded as a vein, though it brings back oxygenated blood to the left atrium. Thank you.